Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a portable Bluetooth speaker. This is the ZEB VITA by Zebronics. We're looking at the front side of the packaging and we get a good idea of what the product looks like. And they've also called out a couple of features on the front, namely that this thing supports Bluetooth version 5.0. It's got FM radio. It has an Aux interface. It also has a USB interface. You can insert a micro SD card with music files on it. You can answer calls on this device. It also has TWS function, so you can pair multiple speakers for enriched effect. Then it has a built-in rechargeable battery. The top of the packaging has the specifications mentioned. Let's go through these one by one. It's got a max output power of 10 watts. It supports a maximum size of 32 GB for the memory card that can be inserted. Charging time is about 4 hours, and that gives you about 5 hours of playback. There's a little asterisk over here, which means that that thing is rated for 50% volume. And this thing is about 440 grams, so it's nearly half a kilo. And then on the bottom, you have the manufacturer's contact information as well as pricing. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So first, you have the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate your device. It also has specifications listed as well as what all the different buttons do. Then you have the charging cable. This is a micro USB to USB type A cable. This cable is about 45 to 50 centimeters long. Lastly, we have the speakers. It comes with some additional film. So the speaker has a metallic grill on the front with some branding in the center. The top, back and bottom are all super glossy. Coming to the bottom, we also have rubber feet, so that's going to give you a bit of stability. One side has some certification information and the name of the product, whereas the other side has all the buttons. So here you can see the mode as well as the power button. Then there's one for play, pause, or scanning if you're in FM mode. Then one for seeking forward, seeking backward. They also double up for the volume control buttons. Then there's the aux cable input, a TF card insert, followed by the USB port on this side, and also a DC input. This is the micro USB jack. So this is what you'd use to charge the device. This is what you'd use to charge other devices using the inbuilt battery in this. So this doubles up as a power bank. And that's about it. So this was the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB VITA portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.